Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use or create this particular hand transition effect on Higgsfield AI. So all you have to do is to go to this particular website, higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account, click on visual effects, scroll down to the hand transition section, click on it. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually see the transition of the subject just placing our hand forward and our background transitions. So all you have to do is to click on generate. So once you click on generate, you'll be brought to this particular page. You can now go on to upload your image here, describe the scene you want. ChatGPT can always do this for you, and then you can choose the model you want. I would advise you just leave it as this because this is the designated model that is best suited for this particular transition. So but you can always change it to any of these. If you want audio, you can use any of these Google View 3. So once you're done selecting the model and the duration and resolution, the next best thing for you to do is to click on generate, and then within few seconds, not seconds guys, within few minutes, you may see up to an hour 45 minutes, but don't panic. The truth is that within 15 or less than 15 minutes you would have your video ready for download. And then you can click on this place. Now this is a video I created using this a different effects. So I would advise you to use this, especially if you are a big time VFX artist. You probably already know this. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel. We're actively trying to grow. Thank you guys.